All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and it's really important to analyze your workflow to maximize efficiency. Look at how you work. Look at how your day goes. Figure out wasted time. The more wasted time, the less money you bill. Every time you walk over to that parts counter to get something you forgot, every time you have to go get a special tool, every time you walk, it's wasted time. Same with lifting a vehicle up and down. Maximize what you do when the vehicle's in one position before you raise or lower it. Every little bit adds up. Also, really important to maximize your general workflow, meaning having all the tools you need for that job readily available. Organization, organization, organization. Stay organized. Whatever you have to do, organize your bolts, set everything up to maximize your flat rate hours. Hope you enjoyed this. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.